So we're just gonna give a quick video tutorial on how we're gonna chalk paint these candle holders. They're gonna basically match this frame. So we're going to start with our chalk paint, load it onto your paintbrush here. We're gonna dip off. So we're offloading, it's called, and we're just gonna dry brush. Okay, so super easy. Kind of want that like soft, smushy look. It's really easy to get too much on your paintbrush, and then it's really thick. Of course, you can have a wet wipe available to take off any mistakes you might make. Just trying to get all the little detailed areas so it looks pretty cohesive. Okay, so you can add another layer after it's dry if you want it just to be a little bit stronger color, but I'm really liking this soft look, so you can see that this would look really well paired next to our frame on the wall. Yeah, so there you go.